Steps and procedure for dealing with a presentment. Preliminary requirements. Before engaging with any commercial presentment or offer, ensure the following foundational steps have been completed. A. Capturing your straw man. File a UCC-1 financing statement, designating your real, biological identity, with upper and lowercase letters, as the secured party and your corporate franchise, in all capital letters, as the debtor. B. Filing a security agreement. Submit a security agreement in the commercial registry, either on the original UCC-1 or a UCC-3 change statement, where the debtor indemnifies the secured party by pledging all debtor's property as collateral. C. Receiving an actual presentment/offer. Confirm receipt of a presentment, demand for payment or acceptance, within 10 days of receiving it. Ensure it's not just a notice but an actionable document requiring your response. D. Sending actual and constructive notice, ACN. Dispatch an ACN, a non-negotiable bill of exchange, to the Secretary of the Treasury to offset the debt against your birth certificate, converting public debt/liability into private credit/asset. Procedure for dealing with a presentment. 1. Document preparation. Make multiple copies of the presentment. Stamp the copies with accepted for value all related endorsements, front and back, in accordance with UCC 3419 and House Joint Resolution 192 of June 5, 1933. Sign and date in blue ink. Send back to the offerer with ACN 1, informing them of the acceptance for value and their 72-hour response window under the Truth in Lending Act. 2. Follow up after 10 days. If no withdrawal notice is received, proceed with sending a bill of exchange to the Treasury, including ACN 2, specifying the amount due, usually 100x the face value of the original presentment. Sending a thank you letter to the offerer, ACN 3, confirming your status as the creditor. Filing a UCC 3 change statement to document the commercial transaction. 3. First notice, after additional 10 days, if no adjustment is made, send ACN 4 to the offerer with a W-9 form. A request for fiduciary tax reporting or individual tax return, 1040. 4. Second notice, after another 10 days, send a final notice warning that failure to comply will result in filing IRS Form 8300, Suspicious Transaction Report. Submitting a Suspicious Activity Report, SAR, to FinCEN, which reaches multiple federal agencies. Mailing protocols. All mailings should be sent via certified or registered mail with proof of service. Preferably, use a third party for mailing with an affidavit of service notarized for legal integrity. This structured approach ensures all commercial presentments are handled within the legal framework of UCC provisions, maintaining your position as the secured party and holder in due course.